welcome to KnowEdge. In this video we shall see chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables of class 10 CBSE NCERT syllabus. We are in exercise number 3.5, question number 2, second part. For which value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? The equations are 3x plus y is equal to 1, and the second one is 2k minus 1x plus k minus 1y is equal to 2k plus 1. Now here you can see that it is given that we have to find the value of k. Now here there is only one unknown variable given, which is k. So we have to find the value of k and using the condition for no solution. Now it is like what we did in the previous sum. We have to arrange it according to the condition, and then we have to list out the coefficients and cross multiply it. Now since there is only one unknown variable here, we can cross multiply one part and find the value for k, but we need to, after finding the value for k, we need to prove the condition here. Okay, so now let's start. So here you can see we can list out the coefficients first. So a1 is 3, a2 is 2k minus 1. Okay, b1 is, here there is no coefficient given, so it means that it is 1 here, so 1, and b2 is k minus 1, and c1 is 1, c2 is 2k plus 1. Okay, now we have to write the condition for no solution. It is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the condition it has to satisfy. So let's write a1 is 3, 3 by a2 is 2k minus 1, 2k minus 1 is equal to b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1 is equal to c1, sorry, 1 by c2 is 2k plus 1. Okay, now this is actually, it will not be equal. So here we can multiply the first part and see 3 will remain here and k1 will move there, so it will become a multiple. So k minus 1 is equal to 1 into 2k minus 1. Here we have to multiply the two terms using 3. So 3 into k is 3k minus 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 1 into 2k is 2k, 1 into 1 is 1. Move the like terms to the same side. 3k, this 2k will move there, becomes minus 2k is equal to, here minus 1 remains there, this 3 will move here, so it becomes plus 3. Now 3k minus 2k is k is equal to, here plus and minus is minus, so 1 minus 3 is 2, but we take the sign from the greater value, so it is plus 2. So this is the value for k. Okay, now we have found the value for k. We will replace the value for k in this part wherever k is there, and then we can see if we can prove it. So here if you apply, here it is 3 by 2 in place of k, let me put 2 minus 1, okay, is equal to 1 by k. K is 2 here, so 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2k is 2 into k is 1, sorry, 2 plus 1. Okay, so 3 by 2 2s are 4, so 4 minus 1 is 3. Same way here, 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1. Here 1 by 2 2s are 4 plus 1, okay, so it is 5 here. So 3, let's divide this by a common number 3. So 1 3s are 3 and 1 3s are 3. So from this we can understand that 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 1, but this is not 1 by 1, it is 1 by 5, right? 4 plus 1 is 5. So this means that 1 by 1 is equal to 1 by 1, which is not equal to 1 by 5. Will prove that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Thus we have proved it. Okay, it's not as tough as it looks. Just watch the video as many times as you want for a better understanding. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and bye-bye.